Matthew 26. When Jesus teach finish, he can't tell him disciples, make una know say na 2 days remain before the Passover go start, and them go give man pikin to people wey go nail am for cross. The priest oga them and the elders con hold meeting with Caiaphas, the high priest, for him palace. Them con plan for secret to arrest Jesus, make them for kill am. But them say make we not do am when the feast don't start, so that people no go make trouble. Now, as Jesus dey Bethany for Simon wey be leper house, one woman bring container wey get oil wey dey well, con pour the oil for Jesus head as he sit down for table dey chop. When the disciples see wetin happen, dem con vex well, ask the woman, why you dey waste this oil? E for better say dem sell am, con give the money to poor people. When Jesus hear wetin dem talk, he con say, why una dey trouble this woman? Na better thing dey do for me o. Poor people dey with una every time, but me, I no go dey with una always. When the woman pour this oil for my body, e dey prepare me for my bury. I tell una true word, anywhere we dem go for preach this gospel, dem go take this thing where the woman do so, take remember am for the whole world. Then Judas Iscariot, wey dey among the 12 disciples, con meet the priest oga dem, con tell them, wetin una go give me if I sell Jesus Christ give una? So dem con count 30 silver coins give am. From that time, Judas con dey find how he go take sell Jesus Christ. For the day when dem start the feast for the bread wey no get yeast, the disciples come meet Jesus Christ, tell am, tell us where you for wan chop the Passover food, so that we go prepare the place. Jesus tell them, make una go inside the town and una go meet one man. Make una tell am, the teacher say, my time don't reach. I go chop the Passover food with my disciples for your house. So the disciples do as Jesus tell them, then them can't go prepare the Passover food. When evening reach, Jesus sit down for the table with him 12 disciples. As them they chop, he can't say, I tell una true word, one of una go sell me. Wetin he talk can't worry them well, so them can't begin ask him, Oga God, na me? Jesus answer them, the person wey go put hand inside plate with me, na him go sell me. Man pikin go die as them write about am, but curse dey the person head wey go sell am. E for better say them no born the person at all. Then Judas, the person wey go sell am, con say, true, Oga God, na me you dey talk about. Jesus answer am, you don't talk am. As them dey chop, Jesus take bread, con thank God. After he divide am, he give him disciples, con say, make una chop, this na my body. After he take the cup, con thank God, then he give them, con say, make all of una drink from am, because this na my blood, wey be the covenant wey go make God forgive people their sins. I tell una, from now go, I no go drink this wine until the day where I go drink the new wine with una for my Papa kingdom. After them sing one hymn, them comot con go Mount Olives. Then Jesus con tell them, this night all of una go run leave me, because God word say, I go kill the shepherd and the sheep go scatter. But after God don raise me up from death, I go Galilee, go wait for una. Peter con answer am, if others run leave you, me I no go ever leave you. Jesus con tell am, I tell you the truth, for this night, before fowl go do kukuruku, you go deny me 3 times. Peter still answer, even if I go die, I no go ever deny you. And all the disciples still talk the same thing. Then Jesus go Gethsemane with him disciples, con tell them, make una sit down here, because I won't cross go the other side, go pray. He take Peter, James and John, wey be Zebedee 2 children with him, but because of waiting one happen, belle no sweet am. Then he tell them, my heart heavy and it be like say I won't die. Make una stay here and make una no sleep. He waka go front small, con lie down face ground, then he come pray, my papa, if you want, you go fit remove this death from me, but no be as I want am, na as you want am. When Jesus come back, he can't see say all him disciples they sleep. Then he ask Peter, so you no fit stay make you no sleep for 1 hour? Open your eye make you pray, so that you no go fall inside temptation. Your spirit won't do am, but your flesh dey weak. Jesus can't go pray for the 2nd time. My papa, if you no want take this death comot unless I die, then make wetin you want happen. He come back, can't see him disciples they sleep again. dem no fit open their eyes. So he leave them go pray the same way for the third time. Then he come meet the disciples, ask them, una still dey sleep and rest? See, the time don dey reach when dem go sell man pikin give sinners. Make una stand up, make we dey go. See, the person wey wan sell me don dey come. As Jesus still dey talk, Judas, wey be one of the disciples, come. Plenty people wey the priest oga and elders send carry gun and big stick dey follow Judas for back. Now, the person wey sell am don give them sign say, the person wey I go kiss na him be the man, make una arrest am. At once, Judas go meet Jesus, greet am, come say, teacher, then he kiss am. Jesus tell am, my friend, do wetin make you come. Then dem come hold Jesus, come arrest am. But one of the disciples wey dey with Jesus draw him sword comot, come cut the high priest slave ear comot. Then Jesus tell am, put your sword for where e dey before, because anybody wey dey carry sword, na sword go kill am. You think say I no fit call my papa say make he send many angels come help me now? But if I do am, wetin dem write for God word about this matter no go happen. By this time, Jesus tell the people wey follow Judas come say, una carry sword and stick come arrest me like say I be thief. I dey teach inside the temple every day, but una no arrest me. This one happen so that wetin the prophets write for the book go be true. Then all the disciples come run leave am. Now, the people wey arrest Jesus take am go meet Caiaphas, the high priest, wey the law teachers and elders don gather for him house. But Peter follow them go reach the high priest's yard. He come sit down with the guards to see wetin go happen. The priest oga dem and the Sanhedrin come dey find wetin dem go take hold Jesus, make dem for fit kill am. But dem no see anything to take hold am, even though many people come lie against am. At last, 2 people come out come say, this man say I go fit destroy God temple and build am again for 3 days. So the high priest come stand up, ask Jesus, you no get any answer? Wetin be this thing wey dem dey talk against you so? But Jesus quiet. Then the high priest come tell am, I take God name command you to tell us if you be Christ wey be God pikin. Jesus answer am, you don talk am, but I tell you, from now go, you go see man pikin sit down for God right hand, dey come down from heaven. Then the high priest tear him cloth, come say, he don talk against God. Wetin we still need another witness? Una don hear how he talk against God. Wetin una think? Dem come answer am, he do bad and he supposed to die. Then dem come spit in him face, beat am, and some slap am. They say, make you tell us wetin go happen, you wey be Christ, na who beat you? As Peter sit down outside for the yard, one girl wey be servant come tell am, yourself be with Jesus Christ wey come from Galilee. But Peter deny am for everybody front, come say, I no know the man you dey talk about. When he comot outside, another girl wey be servant see am, come tell the people wey dey there, this man sef dey with Jesus wey come from Nazareth. Peter come swear deny am again, I no know the man. After some time, people wey stand there come meet Peter, tell am, you really be one of them, even the way you dey talk show say you dey with am. As he hear this one, Peter come dey swear, I no know the man. That same time, fowl come make kukuruku. Then Peter come remember wetin Jesus tell am, before fowl go make kukuruku, you go deny me 3 times. So Peter go outside begin cry.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.